Hello everyone, how are you all holding with technology? I hope you are all doing fine as well. So without any further delay, this is BCube and let's get straight into today's video. So today's video all about not exactly a review, but it is kind of review, but also my suggestion for you all to just skip this headphones. Just don't get it, you don't have to get it, and I'm gonna explain you why in the complete process. In case you guys have not watched the unboxing of this headphones, I leave it in the cards here so that you guys can check it out. And if you guys have been following me, I mostly do a lot of review, or at least the products which many others may not go to review or would not do it as quick as possible. I'll also be talking about why this headphones interested me. In the unboxing video, I did said that this cannot swivel 90 degrees as the company claims in the product page, and that is one of the part why I had to go with replacement. So I'm gonna talk how was the product after replacement. So once the new replacement box was arrived, I could see that the box was slightly better in shape compared to what I had already reviewed. And as soon as I opened the headphones made me feel that this one is a new one. I am not sure is it because of the pure blacks or the way it was. I just felt that this were brand new compared to what it was, and also the ear cups are all smooth, and also the headband. The main part is this coupling force is a lot more on this one compared to what it was on the previous one, which made me feel that the previous one may be a product which was already returned by some other customer and then the same was got delivered to me. I'm not sure, I just think that it is, because it just made me feel as I saw this one. So I got the new one. I just thought I'll check this out, and I started using it, and what I could find was the reason which led to today's video, that you don't have to buy this one. Starting off with the first one is the branding itself. As you can see, the branding says OneAudio here, that is OneAudio, and there is also the same seller who is claiming that brand OneAudio, which spells OneOdio, but I'm not sure. I did use this one only because the OneAudio spells as OneOdio is good for the price it was offering, that is around 2,500. There is another headphones, wired headphones. I heard that is really brilliant for the price, so I thought this will be also good, but no, I was completely wrong. I mean, this is not so good. So the branding itself confuses initially. Talking about the review, the main reason anybody would choose this one, at least for me, it was because it has active noise cancellation under 4,500. Of course, the company has the latest versions for this one, but not in India, of course. The latest one is far better than this one, and also is actually priced lesser than what this one is sold in India. For the actual price of 5,480, it costs lower than that one. And the main reason, I should say, that the box which it comes in does not have any seals, so that is again a question mark why it doesn't have any seals. And talking about why you don't need this one, the major point is that one is on the product page it says that it can swivel 90 degrees, meaning this has to turn exactly opposite to my way, and this one did not. This was one of the sole reason why I had to go with replacement, but it seems that this is what it can do. It cannot do more than this. And also I had doubt while purchasing this one because the charging port type was not mentioned in the product page. I had to go on question, and then the seller said that it has C-type, but it has micro USB port, which you guys can get to know from the unboxing video. So again, the seller says a lot of wrong stuff, I feel, because there were a lot of questions, and I could see that seller says one thing but customer says a different thing. Of course, I could see the same answer where the seller said it has C-type port, consumer telling that it has USB port, but still I thought let me check anyway. But at this price range, I couldn't really complain. It has a USB port comparing to the features it has, at least on paper. So I just thought I would be fine either way, and I got this one. And the main part, the sound quality and active noise cancellation on this one are really not what I expected it to be. You guys can just skip this only because of the reason that the headphones like MI Super Bass headphones and Boat Rockers 510, which I had reviewed and also compared both of them, you can see in the cards here. So I had compared both of them, and they really seemed a lot value for money when I compared with this one. Those are really better than what this one does, so you can even save a lot of money. Those are priced in between 1,500 to 2,000. Talking about the active noise cancellation, this is the first time I'm using an active noise cancellation headphones, so I'm not pretty sure how this actually works, but I thought at least little sounds here and the machine sounds are quite little disturbances would be avoided. But no, that is not what is actually happening. Of course, the passive noise cancellation is really good. As soon as you wear this, they really cancel a lot of noise. But with active noise cancellation, what the brand, of course, brand's telling it's an active noise cancellation headphones, I don't see that huge improvement in this one. So what I could actually see was that it emphasizes bass little bit as soon as you turn on the active noise cancellation. Of course, the loudness is also quite better than what it normally is. And as I said, the loudness is also not so good as compared to what it was in either Keep It Me Super Bass or the Boat Rockers 510. Those have a better bass and loudness compared to this one. Of course, battery life may be par with them, but again, they're available at lesser price compared to these. So active noise cancellation also again a bummer there. I didn't feel that it is worth what you're paying. The rest all were fine. There were not any issues. I could of course connect to Bluetooth devices, and again there were a little bit of issues there as well. You know, the audio cannot switch that instantaneously. Guys, I'm telling you, you don't have to buy this one. You can just keep this or just don't consider this one. Not sure what the reason was for my headset or something like that, because even after replacement it is the same. So I just concluded that these are not something that anybody should put their money on. As I said, you can either go with a lesser priced one or just once for all go with a better best ones for active noise cancellation. That's all for this video, guys. So do let what your reactions about this video, and also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also do follow me on social media handles for a lot of more technology stuff, especially Twitter if you want quick updates, and of course Instagram for any quick suggestions, doubts or anything, and always YouTube comment sections for your feedback, which is really valuable for me. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Catch you guys in my next video. Until then, see ya.